Welcome to Stakeholder Reporting Edge, where we turn project facts into strategic clarity for enterprise success. In this opening overview, I'll set the stage for why targeted reporting matters, delivering the right signals to the right people, cutting noise, and aligning decisions to outcomes so leaders can act quickly and with confidence. This page shows how to inventory stakeholders and tailor communication by power and interest, using dashboards for executives and tactical logs for teams. The visual grid and panels highlight that executives need high-level milestones and risks, while team leads need granular status and blockers. And the goal is to eliminate information overload and keep content aligned to decision horizons. Here, we translate detailed WBS and task lists into an executive traffic light summary, filtering high-volume, low-clarity data into slipped milestones, pending decisions, and scope creep flags. The transformation focuses on variance and the critical path, producing a compact pulse check that tells sponsors instantly whether urgent action, escalation, or acceptance is required. This slide walks through turning abstract schedule metrics into concrete business consequences. We aggregate negative float and projected delay to estimate stakeholder-facing milestone impacts, then show how that translates to outcomes like a 3-week launch delay. Root cause analysis and recovery options are presented alongside strategic trade-offs such as funding, scope adjustments, or baseline approvals. Financial forecasting combines cost performance indicators with scenario-based forecasts to support sponsor decisions. We use CPI and earned value to judge current efficiency, model best, likely, and worst-case EAC scenarios, and map sponsor pathways like releasing contingency, reducing scope, or accepting overruns so financial choices are proactive rather than reactive. This condensed top 10 risk matrix is designed for board review, highlighting critical residual exposures, mitigation status, and owners at a glance. The table's bars and dates show which risks are trending high or stable and when they will be revisited, enabling the board to focus attention and resources on the threats that matter most to delivery. The issue severity and accountability matrix defines 4 escalation levels, each with a required response time and decision authority from project leads up to the board. It pairs clear actions, like approving mitigation or authorizing resources, with named owners responsible for resolution, so critical project risks trigger immediate governance and traceable outcomes. Layout principles emphasize leading with KPIs, grouping content by stakeholder priority, and using color sparingly to highlight insights rather than decorate. The guidance calls for annotated variances, drill-down links for analysts, and a dashboard-style presentation so busy executives can absorb key messages in under 60 seconds, while deeper data remains accessible. Balancing narrative and evidence means moving from vague statements to specific, data-backed claims that build credibility. The before and after example shows how replacing on track with an SPI value and recovery plan makes reporting actionable, and the companion table retains raw metrics to support the narrative and allow auditors to verify conclusions. Optimizing reporting frequency maps different outputs to decision cycles, weekly tactical logs for project teams, bi-weekly steering dashboards for sponsors, monthly compliance packs for regulators, and ad hoc crisis alerts when urgent issues arise. The aim is to prevent information droughts and noise, ensuring informed decisions without overwhelming stakeholders. Modern reporting tools connect fragmented data sources, scheduling platforms, finance systems, and collaboration tools into an automated integration engine that auto-populates templates and standardizes reports. This reduces manual copy-paste, frees project managers to provide analysis, and strengthens enterprise governance through version control, audit trails, and error reduction. The continuous improvement feedback loop turns reporting into a strategic advantage by soliciting consumer ratings, tracking performance metrics, refining content and format, and evolving reporting from a bureaucratic chore into a success driver. Over time, this cycle raises project success rates, as sharper reports lead to better decisions and measurable performance gains.